Yeah, man. Oh, the scope's gone off. Oh, yeah, man. We have some busy shoot and smash chalk targets. Thin circles of chalk that you shoot. I'm always on the lookout for new kinds of targets. Seeing these. Are they any good? Let's find out. As usual, 25 yards. But we need it to look cool. So we've got 3 hanging up on string, so it should look great. Then we've got some hanging up on nails, see what they look like. And then, which I think are going to be the worst ones, they're just leaning against a brick. But at the end, we've got something awesome. I think it's going to be awesome. Let's just shoot these, see what they're like. They better be good. I mean, straight away they kind of suck because they come in a box of 50. But they're just squashed in. There's no kind of padding or anything. I mean, you can still shoot them, but £11 for 50 little bits of chalk. So I'm whinging already. 4 different ways of shooting them. I'm going to start with what looks the worst to the best. I hope. Okay, straight in, boys. Okay, I think I didn't notice that looked terrible, I think. No, maybe it was alright. Okay, that was the most boring one. Against bricks. Oh, that was definitely boring. This must be a bit better. Hanging on nails. Hanging on nails, come on. Oops. Wow, look at them 3 there. Okay, so far, I'm not seeing the point in them. But that's just so far. You know the little chalk men you get that are really thick? They are, from my own naked eye, they are much better so far. Let's shoot the swinging ones. Also check this out. We're going to shoot the swinging ones, but then I have been an absolute genius again. Don't fall. So if I just put them all as a solid block, it's not going to work. So I needed a gap between them all. And this is actually my 3rd attempt at doing it. Just don't laugh. Hey! So, yeah, man, woman. Wait. You can tell how wired this in. Right. The video's going in the wind. Look at the movement in the wind. Really going. Okay. We're going to start at the top. Maybe. Oh, there we go there, that's better, that's better. Yeah, man. Oh, my scope's gone off. Oh, come on. Scope means charged. Oh, yeah, man. Get lost, man. Okay. To be fair, I've only charged the scope once. How long have I had this scope? You guys remember the review? Happy New Year! Oh, why is it off again? Oh well, man. Now I can easily see half this plug's dodgy. Right, no. Half the plug's dodgy. But if I do this, it means I'm going to turn the heater off. Right. So much for this being a few second video of just seeing what these are like. I'm mean, I do love it. Oh, I don't really, but... Oh! Wait, I shouldn't be leaving CO2 in there. Why did I do that? I never do that. Well, these days. Okay, it's been a good few weeks since I've used this, at least. Is this any good still? Just shoot over there. Oh, yeah. Perfect, okay. The Umax 850 M2, my favourite rifle. Saved the day. Let's get the last two. Oh, I tipped it. I tipped it again, are you kidding me? Hope you guys can see that. So now I can start feeling cold on my back. What if I plug the heater into that side? It's on, you hear it? There we go, that way if it flashes on and off, it'll be the heat and the light will stay on. Right, this time. Boom! What's still there? Oh yeah, that looks better. Okay, I like them hanging. That looks good. Yep, that looks good. Bowser. Okay, we can get it. Come on, the best you got. Best you got. Yeah, I like that. Well, obviously, you guys know better than me. I haven't watched the footage, but from my view of just a normal shooter, they don't look any good against bricks, don't look any good against hanging, but they look good like that. They look alright like that. Although, how many times can you hang them up like that so there's nothing around them? I'm still seeing the choke men a better. Just tipped it. Oh. Tipped it again. Okay, take it back, these are brilliant. If you hang them up in the wind, these are brilliant fun. Stressful but good. Boom! Woo, woo, woo. Right, we're going to refill this mug, then we're going to shoot the long line, try and get the right angle. I want it to look good. I don't think it's going to look good, but I want it to look good. Actually, I can't see it's using, there's a few left. I may as well just pile all these up in a big pile and see what that looks like as well. Let's have a look at this. Obviously straight through. There's only 10 of them or 20 of them. 20 I think. 8 odd. 20. There's 20. Oh, I think I hit slightly to the right. No, I didn't. Right, this time. Oh, I hit too low. Oops. Okay, one last thing left to do. Just piled everything up that we've got left. Let's just try and make some mess. They're alright. They're fun, I suppose, but a bit of a novelty. Same as most things I guess, I'm sure. It's more of a novelty or something to do with a few players. If I was sitting here not recording, I wouldn't be doing this. Anyway, let's make a mess. That looked good. Oops. Straight for the tail. Well, my conclusion, got no idea. It was a bit of fun. It looked good hanging. Apart from that, nah, I wouldn't bother. Happy New Year, guys.